Victoria Beckham sizzles in swimsuit as she shows off toned figure with husband David. Victoria Beckham spent her birthday splashing around in Miami as she got playful with David Beckham in the sea. Posh Spice, now 49, showed off her ageless figure as she celebrated with loved ones on the idyllic trip. The fashion designer gave her fans a glimpse into her holiday by sharing videos on her Instagram story. In one video, Victoria could be seen smiling as she sat on David's shoulders while he strolled through the crystal blue water. She captioned the video, "He's got me." Victoria flaunted her toned figure in a Reebok swimsuit which she paired with a black cap to block the rays. She then beamed at the camera whilst bobbing up and down in the water next to David and their daughter Harper. The designer also enjoyed a session of paddle boarding with an instructor. "This is not going to go well," David joked before she fell into the water. Subscribe to our channel for the latest on your favorite celebrities. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.